As we're right in the middle of summer and there's so much talk about staying out of the sun and protecting yourself against the sun, I'd like to share with you 5 scientific benefits of sunlight and why this makes you both look and feel better. We'll also be discussing the top 3 hacks to protect your skin and repair your skin after spending time in the sun. Hi, my name is Sophia. I've been working in the beauty and wellness industry for over 15 years, and my mission is to help you become the best version of yourself. Did you know that the sun can really benefit us in so many ways? And this all comes down to how the sun affects our biochemistry. The first thing it does, it helps with vitamin D production, which is so important for our bones, healthy teeth, mental health, and overall health as well, including skin health. The sun also helps release hormones. The first one to mention is serotonin, which is our happy hormone. So you've probably found that when you're in the sun, you're a lot happier. The second hormone to mention is melatonin. Now, melatonin is responsible for our sleep-wake cycles, but it does so much more than that. It's actually one of the most potent antioxidants in our body, meaning it fights free radicals. So it keeps us and our skin young, healthy, and beautiful. The sun can be really great for our immune system, and that's because it helps produce white blood cells, and that means that we can better fight off infections and illnesses. On top of that, the sun helps with any kind of inflammatory skin conditions like acne, dermatitis, or eczema. Now, I'm sure a lot of you are thinking, hold on, I've been told to stay out of the sun, and the sun is the #1 cause of aging. And yeah, it can be true. Everything in moderation. You need to make sure that you're in the sun the right amount of time, and we'll go into that in a little bit more detail. And also make sure that you never ever burn, because a sunburn will definitely destroy your skin and your collagen and cause aging. So let's jump into the top hacks on how you can protect your skin in the sun and also how you can repair it after you've been in the sun. So how do you get all of these benefits from the sun in a healthy way? Well, the recommendation is you spend about 30 minutes in the sun every single day, completely naked if you can, and focus on hours that are outside of peak hours, which are from about 11 till 3 p.m. But we all know this is not always a reality. It's not something we can do or even want to do if we're on holiday. So let's discuss how we can protect ourselves in these situations. The first thing you want to focus on is your sunblock. Look for a factor 30 plus with both UVA and UVB protection. For your face, you'll want to go for a factor 50, and this is because you want to avoid any kind of discoloration and also help protect that collagen, remembering that your face is always on show, even in the winters. When it comes to our bodies, we have to remember that our skin absorbs everything that we put on it. And with the bodies being a larger area, we have a lot of skin. So I would always recommend that we avoid those chemical sunblocks and instead use a mineral sunblock. And this is because chemical sunblocks have been shown to disrupt our hormone levels, which are the messengers in our bodies. So with them disrupted, they can have some unwanted effects. So look for a mineral sunblock containing either zinc oxide or titanium dioxide, like this one. Now, antioxidants are another powerful way of protecting ourselves against the harmful effects of the sun. And this is because antioxidants neutralize free radicals, which are basically harmful molecules that do bad things to our skin and body. And when you're in the sun, there is more free radical damage. So what you want to do is really load yourself with fruits, vegetables, and berries. So really go for the full color of the rainbow, because every color has its own benefit. So have oranges, blueberries, and a lot of leafy greens, and you will see the difference. Now for a pro tip. Antioxidants aren't just great to have internally, they're great to put on your skin as well. So look out for a vitamin C serum. This is one of the most potent antioxidants, and put it all over your skin before going in the sun. This will help both maintain and replenish your collagen, and it will prevent any kind of dark patches from forming. Now, staying both hydrated and moisturized is going to be key when being in the sun. So make sure you're drinking enough water, at least 8 glasses, but probably more. It really depends on how hot it is and how much you're sweating. And also make sure you're eating a lot of foods containing water, like melons, cucumbers, most fruits, berries, and some vegetables too. Keeping your skin both hydrated and moisturized is key when spending time in the sun. Obviously, before we go in the sun, we have our SPF, but when we come out of the sun, we need to replenish those hydration levels. And here's for a pro tip. Many of us know the benefits of hyaluronic acid on the skin on our face. It binds 1,000 times its weight in water, so it's a super hydrator. This is actually a great product to use all over your body. Try it out and you will see the difference in your hydration levels. Now, there's also some fantastic natural products to consider to use after being in the sun. For instance, if you're sunburned, which I really hope you're not, but if you are, you can use aloe vera. Aloe vera will calm a sunburn immediately. It will take away the redness and really help with the irritation. Oils are also fantastic to use on your skin after spending time in the sun. They'll help replenish the moisture on your skin, and many of them have a lot of antioxidants as well, which will further help repair your skin. One great oil is coconut oil. This will help moisturize, it will help with dryness. It's also anti-inflammatory. A jojoba oil is fantastic for any skin type. It will not only moisturize your skin, but it will also help repair that skin barrier. And if you want to go for something more advanced and efficient, you can go for a rosehip oil. This is high in vitamin A and vitamin C, which are potent antioxidants to help heal and repair your skin after spending time in the sun. And if you're dry, an argan oil is fantastic because it's high in vitamin E and also fatty acids, so it will really nourish your skin and moisturize it and help it heal. If you're enjoying learning about oils, I would recommend you next watch my video on skincare oils for different concerns. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might find it useful. And don't forget to subscribe for weekly beauty and well-being tips. And as always, I would love to hear from you, so please comment below. Thank you so much and have a beautiful day.